how to check Air Arabia flight status online. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check Air Arabia flight status online, and this is how to go about it. All right. The first step is to open your web browser, and in the search box, type out Air Arabia flight status online. Okay, and then click enter or the search icon, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page you can see the option flight status, and you can see that Air Arabia is the blogger. So just click on flight status, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page you can just directly check out the flight status of your flight online without further stress. So you can see how direct this method is. So the next step would be for you to choose your departure date, all right, of your flight. Okay, and then select where you're flying from, select where you're flying to, and once you're done, um click on the um click on check status. All right, this is if you want to search for you want to check your flight status by making use of flight route. But if you want to search by flight number, just go to the left side of search by flight number and tick the circle, and then enter in your flight number. After entering your flight number, you click on check status, and then we take it to the next page, and your flight status would be revealed to you, just like that. So this is how you can check your Air Arabia flight status online. Very, very simple. Go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.